Broughton Plant Hire Sustainability. At Broughton Plant Hire, we recognize that sustainability is becoming an increasingly important part of how businesses operate, measure performance, and support their customers, suppliers, and wider stakeholders. As a long-established UK specialist in the hire, sale, servicing and maintenance of plant and equipment, we support the mechanical, electrical, vac and fire protection sectors across a wide range of construction and engineering projects. Since our formation in 1984, we have continued to invest in our people, our depots, our equipment, and our service capability to provide reliable, responsive, and technically informed support to our customers. In 2025, we took an important first step in our carbon reduction journey by completing our first full carbon measurement and reporting cycle in partnership with Beyond Procurement. This has allowed us to establish a clear baseline across Scope 1, Scope 2, and relevant Scope 3 emissions, giving us a detailed understanding of where emissions sit across our operations and wider value chain. Our first measured carbon footprint was 9,235.89 tons of CO2e, with the largest area of impact sitting within Scope 3, particularly purchased goods and services. This is reflective of our operating model as an asset, equipment, and supply chain-led business, and gives us a clear focus for the next stage of our journey. This baseline is not simply a reporting exercise. It gives us the structure and evidence needed to take practical, targeted action. While we will continue to review opportunities across our own operations, including energy use, gas, electricity, and vehicle emissions, we recognize that the greatest opportunity for meaningful reduction sits within our supply chain. Our next phase will therefore focus on working collaboratively with our suppliers through the Beyond Sustainability Hub, helping them understand their own carbon position, improve data quality, and identify realistic reduction opportunities. This approach allows us to move forward in a way that is practical, supportive, and commercially realistic, while building stronger visibility across the areas of our business that matter most. This is the beginning of a structured and measurable journey for Broughton Plant Hire, supporting our commitment to achieving net zero emissions by 2050. Our sustainability journey. We recognize that sustainability is no longer simply a future ambition. It has become an increasingly important part of how our businesses operates, procures services, and manages our supply chain. Across both public and private sectors, organizations are increasingly being asked to provide greater visibility around environmental impact, carbon emissions, and sustainability performance. For us, this journey is not simply about compliance. It is about building a more resilient, responsible, and future-focused business whilst continuing to support our customers, employees, suppliers, and wider stakeholders. We understand that meaningful progress takes time, collaboration, and continuous improvement, which is why we are taking practical steps to better understand and reduce our environmental impact. Our journey and approach. Working alongside our sustainability partners Beyond Procurement, we have developed a clearer understanding of our carbon footprint across Scope 1, Scope 2, and relevant Scope 3 emissions. The first stage was to establish a robust baseline measurement, helping us understand where emissions exist across our operations, energy usage, travel activities, and wider supply chain. We recognize that sustainability is not a one-off exercise. Through annual remeasurement and continuous improvement, we are progressively improving the quality, accuracy, and depth of our environmental data over time. This ongoing approach helps us strengthen our sustainability strategy, improve visibility across our operations, and identify practical opportunities for long-term carbon reduction. Supply Chain and Sustainability Hub. We recognize that meaningful carbon reduction cannot be achieved in isolation. As with many organizations, a significant proportion of emissions sit within our wider supply chain through purchased goods, materials, and outsourced services. Because of this, collaboration with suppliers and partners forms an important part of our long-term sustainability journey. Working alongside Beyond Procurement, we are engaging with our supplier network through the Beyond Sustainability Hub, helping improve awareness, education, and visibility across our entire supply chain. The Beyond Sustainability Hub has been designed to support suppliers at different stages of their own sustainability journeys, providing guidance, tools, and resources that help organizations better understand carbon, sustainability, and future reporting expectations. By working collaboratively with our supplier partners, we collectively improve data quality, strengthen transparency, and support more informed sustainability decision-making across our wider supply chain. Together with our clients, employees, and supply chain partners, we remain committed to building a more sustainable future through continual improvement, transparent reporting, and practical action. Sustainability is an ongoing journey, and we look forward to continuing to evolve and strengthen our approach in the years ahead.